ABC analysis. In materials management, ABC analysis is an inventory categorization technique. ABC analysis divides an inventory into three categories: items with very tight control and accurate records, B items with less tightly controlled and good records, and C items with the simplest controls possible and minimal records. The ABC analysis provides a mechanism for identifying items that will have a significant impact on overall inventory cost, while also providing a mechanism for identifying different categories of stock that will require different management and controls. The ABC analysis suggests that inventories of an organization are not of equal value. Thus, the inventory is grouped into three categories, A, B, and C, in order of their estimated importance. A items are very important for an organization. Because of the high value of these A items, frequent value analysis is required. In addition to that, an organization needs to choose an appropriate order pattern, E.G. just in time, to avoid excess capacity. B items are important, but of course less important than A items and more important than C items. Therefore, B items are intergroup items. C items are marginally important. ABC analysis categories. There are no fixed thresholds for each class, and different proportions can be applied based on objectives and criteria. ABC analysis is similar to the Pareto principle in that the A items will typically account for a large proportion of the overall value, but a small percentage of the number of items. Examples of ABC class are: another recommended breakdown of ABC classes. ABC analysis in ERP packages. Major ERP packages have built-in function of ABC analysis. User can execute ABC analysis based on user-defined criteria and system apply ABC code to items, parts. Mathematical calculation of ABC analysis. Computed, calculated, ABC analysis delivers a precise mathematical calculation of the limits for the ABC classes. It uses an optimization of cost, I.T. number of items, versus yield, i.e. sum of their estimated importance. Computed ABC was, for example, applied to feature selection for biomedical data, business process management and bankruptcy prediction. Example of the application of weight operation based on ABC class. Actual distribution of ABC class in the electronics manufacturing company with 4,051 active parts. Using this distribution of ABC class and change total number of the parts to 14,213. When equal purchasing policy is applied to all 14,213 components, for example weekly delivery and reorder point, safety stock, of 2 weeks supply, the factory will have 16,000 deliveries in 4 weeks and average inventory will be 2.5 weeks supply. In comparison, when weighed purchasing policy is applied based on ABC class, for example C class monthly, every 4 weeks, delivery with reorder point of 3 weeks supply, B class bi-weekly delivery with reorder point of 2 weeks supply, A class weekly delivery with reorder point of 1 week's supply, total number of delivery in 4 weeks will be, A 200 times 4 equals 800 plus B 400 times 2 equals 800 plus C 3, 400 times 1 equals 3, 400 equals 5,000 and average inventory will be, A 75% times 1.5 weeks plus B 15% x 3 weeks plus C 10% times 3.5 weeks equals 1.925 weeks supply. A class item can be applied much tighter control like JIT daily delivery. If daily delivery with 1 day stock is applied, delivery frequency will be 4,000 and average inventory level of A class item will be 1.5 days supply and total inventory level will be 1.025 weeks supply, a reduction of inventory by 59%. Total delivery frequency is also reduced to half from 16,000 to 8,200. By applying weighed control based on ABC classification, required man-hours and inventory level are drastically reduced. The ABC concept is based on Pareto's law. If too much inventory is kept, the ABC analysis can be performed on a sample. After obtaining the random sample, the following steps are carried out for the ABC analysis.